What is BD²? It stands for Breakthrough Discoveries for Thriving with Bipolar Disorder. For too long, there have been limited breakthroughs in the study and treatment of bipolar disorder due to lack of collaboration and funding. That's why we're bringing together researchers, clinicians, philanthropists, and people with lived experience to approach bipolar disorder in a new way. The symbol beside our name represents our comprehensive approach to understanding and improving care for people with bipolar disorder. We call it our North Star. It connects the 4 core elements of our collaborative and continuous learning model: the integrated network, discovery grants, the genetics platform, and the brain omics platform. It's a revolutionary system designed to shorten the time it takes to get from scientific breakthroughs to improved clinical care. Let's take a closer look. The BD² Integrated Network connects participants and clinicians across sites to gain new insights into how bipolar disorder presents and how people respond to interventions. The Integrated Network brings together clinicians, scientists, and 4,000 participants in a 5-year longitudinal study, collecting a variety of data along the way. It's driven by the principles of a learning health network: data sharing, collaboration, and hypothesis exploration. Clinicians are linked to a secure, centralized data system where the insights reflect the vast experiences and symptoms of those with bipolar disorder. Our discovery grants give researchers the tools to accelerate breakthroughs in mechanistic research, innovative and progressive research that examines genetic, molecular, cellular, circuit, or behavioral mechanisms. Researchers can share findings in a continuous learning loop with the integrated network to improve clinical care using real-time data. The final core elements of our model create a foundation for all bipolar research, building the baseline understanding of bipolar through 2 shared research platforms. The genetics platform will decode the genetic architecture of bipolar disorder, and the omics platform will create a molecular atlas of impacted regions of the brain. Open science underpins the entire BD² approach. We encourage researchers to access, share, and expand upon new findings, accelerating discovery across the entire bipolar disorder landscape. Ultimately, our goal is to improve the lives of the more than 40 million people with bipolar disorder. The BD² model guides us and drives us to address the reality of living with bipolar disorder today. More than 70% of individuals are misdiagnosed at least once. The average time from symptom onset to diagnosis is 7 years. And less than 50% of those diagnosed find an effective treatment. Tomorrow will be different. We believe thriving with bipolar disorder is possible, and our collective force can make it a reality for everyone.